Hey everybody, so I just received my RCBS Precision Reloading Kit today in the mail, and I'm really excited to see what all we've got here. I am new to reloading, so I talked with an old timer and he basically gave me some hints and tricks and whatnot of the trade here. And this is kind of just an unboxing video. I've never really done one of these before. So bear with me as we kind of get through it. As you can see, it's well packaged. They have everything in here. Well, not everything. Almost everything that you need to start reloading your own stuff here. Oh, it comes with a nice, really nice poster. Kind of talks about the steps that you go through, the clean and check, the lubricating of the case, installing the shell, installing the sizing die, inserting the case. This basically goes through everything you need to do and to help you get going with it. Oh, you got a universal hand priming tool in here, which we all know primers right now are kind of a pain to get your hands on, but I am lucky enough to have some primers on hand here in my little workshop that I've created. And well, we know that with everything going on right now, primers are one of the hardest things to find with all the panic buying and everything, but I've got some large rifle primer because I'm mostly going to be reloading .308 because that's what I hunt with. I'm getting ready to do a big hunt, hopefully coming in the fall here, and it just kind of gives you the ins and outs. Let's see. And then you got a booklet here on the Rebel reloading press itself, the operation of it. So as far as paperwork goes, that's what you get. Oh, you get a thing of case slick for lubricating your cases. So far, this is a pretty amazing little kit that you got here. Oh, right here's the priming tool. That's pretty slick there. I'm excited to get my hands on that and really use it. Another thing that's really nice about this kit, which I'm sure most kits come with this, but I was excited. It comes with the Speer hand loading manual. So this is going to give me all the information I need for the amount of powder that I need. And oh, look at that. It also comes with a 1500 grain digital pocket scale. And if it's anything like RCBS, which their product, it's going to definitely be quality built. What else do we have here? Oh, very nice. I believe we have a holder here for the primers. What else do we got inside this thing? We have the powder trickle. Awesome. Very good. Limited lifetime warranty. I like seeing that. Anyway, stay tuned for part 2. I'm going to get this all put together and, we'll go through step by step, basically, on how to load a bullet up. Thanks. Bye.